Manood ka na lang, manood ka na lang ng television. Hindi tayo pupunta sa sikat. Mahimik ka na. Mahimik ka na, wala akong pera.
I'll tell you after. It's not bad. He's just saying like, you be quiet now. Be quiet now. You can watch TV. You can be quiet now.
Maghanap ng trabaho.
Find a job.
Para ko'y masuportahan mo.
Find a job so you can support me.
Ay matutulong na.
I'm gonna sleep now.
Kunin mo yan, galing maglako ka na. Hello? Hello? Wala na akong pera.
I have no money.
Oh my goodness!
Thank you, YouTubes. Thank you.
That's not YouTube.